So these foods won't prevent you from contracting the novel disease or cure the disease, but they have been shown to support immune health. Number one, you have to wear the mask. Then social distancing, wash hands, and be vaccinated. Ang problema po nato karon is what I have observed really is wala na yung magpa-second booster. Wala po yung first booster. So that's our problem. So, I have lectured this. The last two slides will just show you kay naman ko'y nadunggan nga hearsay or fake news nga walay magpa-second booster kay pag magpa-second booster daw manaog daw ang antibody response. Mo nang dili magpa-booster. So this is, I will not mention the name of this person. So this is the response to COVID-19 vaccination. So, nag-vaccinate man ta diri og March 30 o April 7 ang unang vaccination. Si Dr. Alilan ang first na vaccinate, kaya siya may kinahanglang first ma-vaccinate. Okay, tapos kaming mga head sa hospital ang second na ma-vaccinate. The nutrition kinahanglan yun. So, ang amo lang is, bason lang katong mga nanglantaw sa Facebook. You have to tell your friends, relatives na you need to be vaccinated. Maski man lang sa primary doses.